If you read the title of the video, you probably know we're going to be talking about my favorite sound effect today. And by sound effect, I don't mean like a sound that you use in your video, I mean an effect that you use to change sound. And this effect is Equalizer. I use it sometimes, like I just did now, to transition from a cinematic sequence to the actual talking part of my video, or sometimes I'll use it to alter my voice a little bit to put in more bass, and then makes my voice sound a little bit heavier and not as just kind of flat and staticky. Alright, so I'm gonna show you in detail how I use this equalizer effect in my last video, which was how to like a comparison between Photoscape and Lightroom. So here's the footage from that if you haven't seen it. Today we will be talking about photo editing software, specifically Lightroom and Photoshop. Okay, now let's head over to the computer to show you exactly how I did this. It's a fairly simple effect. So the first thing that you have to do is drag the equalizer effect, which I already have in my favorites. Just drag it on, and then at the start of your footage, or whenever you want the volume to be muffled, or you know, normal volume, set keyframes at the last 5 frequencies on the equalizer effect: the 16,000, the 8,000, the 4,000, the 2,000, and the 1,000 hertz sound levels. And then the sound will be muffled. But if you don't want a gradual progression of the sound, if you just want it to be sudden like I do in pretty much all my videos, use square keyframes. They look like cubes in Hitfilm. So it's muffled, or it's muffled when I'm talking, because when you're talking you want it to be muffled. But when my face leaves the screen, it goes to full sound, and just use keyframes and drag it back to the 0 decibel level. And for the muffled sound effect, it's all the way down on the last 5 frequencies. Also, you can use this effect if you're muffling footage, if you're like going underwater or going underground. Yeah, I use it for that sometimes, but if you want to use it on your talking footage, I would just drag the last 5 frequencies down, maybe like -1, like very, very small amounts, because if you edit your voice too much, it just sounds unprofessional and not good. So I believe this is the end of the video. I know, another short video, but if everything goes to plan, I have a really exciting video planned for you guys next Tuesday, and I think I will see you next Tuesday.